Hi guys, I'm super excited. In this wonderful video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a Google AdSense account successfully, no matter where you're listening to the sound of my voice. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. Alright, welcome back guys. I'm Chido Original. Welcome to the channel where future billionaires tune in to learn daily tips on how to make money online, how to invest their money and make their money work for them in the long term. So consider hitting the red subscribe button below and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you can notified each time I drop great and awesome videos like this that's giving you guys value and great content. So without further ado, I'm going to show you guys how to create a Google AdSense account successfully, no matter where you're listening to the sound of my voice. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into my laptop screen.
So this is Google AdSense.com. You can search it from Google. From Google, you can see Google AdSense is a program run by Google through its website, publishers, and Google network of content, site service, image, video, and interactive media advertisements that are targeted to the site content audience. So this is basically anything that has to do with Google, whether it's YouTube, whether it's Google, you write blog. So and you want to get paid using Google AdSense. So you need to have this in case you want to receive payment from Google. So it's a subsidiary of Google that they use to receive payment. So this is the first website here. Just click on it to load up their website. This is your official website. Once it loads up, now you need your Gmail. Most of you guys have Gmail account. So if you don't know how to create that, just go to gmail.com and create an account with just an email address. So once you create the account, you're able to register on this wonderful platform. Alright, so once you click on the first link, this is what you're going to see. Google AdSense, you can see sign in. If you have an account already, you can sign in, you can see get started. So this is how the interface looks on a visual time. Just go through all this interface and understand the topic, what they accept and what they don't accept. After that, click on get started. Once you click on get started, it will load up another interface. Right? You can click here or you can click on the top right corner. Once you click on it, load up another interface here. You can choose your email that you want to log in with. So let me say I want to use another account. So come here, click on it. So I can come here and put my email. This is chido247@gmail.com. This is my official email in case you want to contact me for business purposes. Also, so you can contact. Right. So this is it. Then you click next. Right. They will come to put your password. So I'll put my password here and click on next. And so this is the interface you're going to see. A couple of things before we get started. You can input your website, right? If you have an official website that you use, you can add it here. If you don't, you can click I don't have a site here. So this will be grayed out. So next one, get more out of it. Once again, set me customize performance, help and all that. You can check this. So if there's anything that they will send to you to improve your ad, help you, get more money and all that, get more revenue for yourself, your service here. So your payment or country of tertiary, so whichever country you are in, you can add it here. So here on the website, you can also add your YouTube channel here, the link here as your website if you have one. So I'll just keep things simple. I don't have the site. So your payments and country tertiary. So come here, you can select the country you are in. So any country that you want to register, all of them is covered. So you can see United States here, you can see United Kingdom here, you can see United Arab Emirates, you can see from there, you can see a lot of them here. So let me simply click Nigeria here. So once you click on it, they will ask you to accept their terms and conditions. So you can go through all this and understand what they accept and what they don't accept. You can go through all this. I have read and accepted terms and conditions. So once you click this check mark, you can see start using AdSense. Once you click on AdSense, it will also load up another interface showing you that you have successfully opting into the AdSense account. So this is it here. As you can see how it looks. Here they say due to war in Ukraine, we post monetization for content that exploits, dismisses or condones the war. So this is just the check. Let me dismiss this video. So this is how it looks. Let's get you started. Just follow the steps to start earning on the ads. So you can add your site, like I said, you can add your YouTube channel here, or blog site, or whatever site from Google, so that you can be receiving your ad revenue. So here is your payments. You can enter your information, see how ads look on your site. You can see your ads, you can see all these things. This is the home page. Here is where you can see ads that are popping into your sites or whatever you link to your Google Adsense account. So before I move on, I would like to show you guys what you need to do in order to make your account authentic, or you can start using your account. So go to your account settings. So this account here on the left hand, you can see settings, click on it. So on the account information, make sure you put the right details here. So input your details here. Here is your publisher ID, here is your customer ID, time zone, content, information visibility and all that. So you can see your personal settings. Right, you can add your first name here. So these are the things you need to put there. So put your legal name as it appears on your government ID card, because at some point you have to, submit your news of verification, even for address verification and all that. They'll send you a pin to your address just to make sure your address is actually yours. So I'll keep this simple. I used to do it. So make sure you have your legal name here. So you log in email. So you can put your phone number, which is optional here. You want to. Right, so let me quickly put a random phone number just for tutorial purposes. So here, email preference, automatic experiment, report, daily, AdSense, police report and all that. So display language and all that. You can see all this. So this is the first thing you have to do, and after that you can click on save and save the information. Right. So here is access authorization, here is inbox. Now let me go on to the payment. Now here you have many settings you can implement on your payment information. You can set the threshold after, let me say, 100 USD. You can start they send the money to your DOM account, wherever you're using, or your US account, or whichever account you use here. So you can add your payment account here. So add your payment account. Add payment information. It's loading up, guys. If you have any questions so far, leave it on the comment section below. I always respond to my comments, because I advise you guys listen to the sound of my voice. So here is another interesting part you have to pay attention, because this has to do with your money. So make sure you put your legal information here. You can see individual business, individual. Here on the name, you can put your name again. Your legal name, I don't have to say that again, so this is it here. So this is it here. You can put the address as it appears on maybe your passport or driver's license or whichever ID card used for use of verification. So you can add this here. So I can add this. So this is a random address. Right? So you can add the address 92 suburb, you can add the city, you can add the postal code, add the state. Right? So depending on the country you choose, the state will be here. Yes, this is good, they cover the whole state. So you add your phone number again, it's optional, you can add it here and click on submit. Right, so it will load up another interface, and like I said, your address, make sure it's legal as it appears, because they will send you a pin. It's a 6-digit pin that they will send to your address. Yes, via post office or DHL or FedEx or whichever means you want them to send it. So they'll send it to you. Then you have to input that exact pin. If you don't, then for those of you guys in Nigeria, the pin actually arrive after 2 weeks or more. Sometimes it takes months, or from 2 weeks start expecting it. So here is it. See the threshold here, you can see it's 100 threshold, which you can change if you want your threshold to go up to 1000. So come here and click on manage settings. Once it loads up, you can add the higher threshold here. So you can see all the payments account ID, payments account name, you can change it here. So payment schedule, so you can add 3,000 here, right? So you can also add the date and all that you want to be receiving it. So it's optional. So as you can see, the threshold is now set to 1,000. So once you're able to earn the 1,000 USD on your Google Adsense via YouTube, via blog on Google, can be able to, they will send it to your local DOM account or US account or wherever you listen to some voice. So here is another profile ID. You can see it's payment profile ID rather. You can see your country and region. You can see your account type, individual. You can see your address and others. You can see the state tax info. Now here is another thing you have to fill because they started collecting tax for people that are living, that don't have tax treaty with the United States. So you can add your tax information here, right? So click on tax information. You can fill your tax. It's just a simple thing, and I have it covered already, so you can watch that video on my channel so you can know how to add your tax information. So you can see here, submit a tax form as soon as possible. Google may need to hold up 30% of your payout, so that's their commission. Their tax covers 30% or less. It doesn't cost 30% of your revenue. So let me say you take 100 USD, they might take 30 USD, might give you 70 USD. So from here, you can click on start tax form. Click on tax form, right? Start tax form. It will load up, then you fill the information about the tax. I don't want to cover it here. It's just like the W10, 88, the rest, that tax information. Just fill it. But one thing with Google Adsense, make sure you put your legal information that it appears here. So here is where you verify your identity in order to receive payment. Submit your government like international stores or driver's license, whatever document you have that's issued by the government, you can add it here just to verify account. So these are the two important steps, or rather 3 important steps you have to set up before you know your account is okay. So you can see the payment information, the verification check, then under the account settings, make sure the information is correct there, and after that you are done.
Alright, so that's how to successfully create a Google Adsense account, no matter where you're listening to sound of voice. Now, if you see the banner button below, these are the service I render. Maybe you want to withdraw a PayPal funds, you want to fund a PayPal account, your net teller, Screen, whatever the case may be, just hit me up. My contact information is the first thing below on the description box. Hit me up so we can transact. And that being said, I'll see you guys on my next video.